Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria earlier. At least 43 aftershocks have occurred with a magnitude of 4.3 or more.
Allah'ım.
The quake struck 23 kilometers east of Nadahi in Gaziantep province. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 flight after a devastating earthquake. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep, which wasn't the shaking felt.
Evet, hepsi sağlamdı, hepsi.
Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake. Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Yüce Rabbim bizlere yardım eyle ya Rabbi.
More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Sırastan açtım, gittim, giyindim, çıktım. Çok
At least 120 aftershocks have occurred following powerful earthquake in southern Turkey.
Allah'ım ne olur yardım et Allah'ım.
Three of the aftershocks measured 6.0 or greater. That struck 95 kilometers north of the epicenter of the morning's main quake.
Allahu Ekber.
Depremin tam merkezi. Karşıda evler yıkık vaziyette.
The aftershocks stretched for more than 300 kilometers along the fault zone.
Acayip bir şekilde sarsılmasıyla deprem olduğunu anladık. Geri döndük tekrardan yıkılan. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Yüce Rabbim bizlere yardım eyle ya Rabbi.
The port of Iskenderun in southern Turkey was damaged.
Allah'ım sen bizlere yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen bize yardım eyle. Allah'ım yardım et. Eyle ya Rabbi.
Some parts of the port's dock collapsed.
Allah'ım sen yardım et Allah'ım. Hindistan'ın yarısı gitmiş.
Elsewhere, cracks formed on the runways of some airports in the earthquake zone.
Her yer yıkıldı Elbistan'da.
Many countries have already begun to provide humanitarian assistance.
Antakya burası şu an. Yıkım her yere vurmuş. Ayakta bina yok.
Rescues are still working to free people trapped under the rubble. More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle ya Rabbi. Sen yardım eyle ya Rabbi. Rabbim sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle.
Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over.
Ya böyle
Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake.
Sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et.
Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria earlier. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 flight after a devastating earthquake. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep.